class, can you stand up to pray? Those are reading the prayer.
Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir. Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, before you sit, can you arrange your chair and properly? So, this is our classroom rules. Can you read, everyone?
Listen carefully. Express your ideas. Actively participate. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Nurture a positive attitude.
Okay, thank you. May I know if we have absentees today?
I don't know absentees.
I'm glad to hear. Thank you. So during last time, I give you an assignment. Kindly pass it sideward then forward. Okay. Do you still recall that we had last meeting?
Yes.
That is given.
Parts of speech and reading comprehension.
Very good. Since you still remember, let's try to answer this activity. Kindly read the instruction, everyone.
Choose the correct word from the box to complete the sentence. Words. Sweetly, beautiful, she, under, and.
Who's like to answer number 1? Rainer.
The cat ran quickly to catch the mouse.
Is Rainer answer is correct?
Yes.
Okay, number 2. Who's like to answer? Okay na?
The flowers in the garden are very beautiful.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Number 3. Annalyn.
She is my best friend.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. Ninya.
The book is under the table.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Very good. Number 5. MJ.
I like apples and bananas.
Is she correct? Is she correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now I have prepared an activity. So wait. So, kindly read the instruction.
Box will be given to the class, and there are pictures inside the box. Each picture has a statement, and the student will identify if it is a fact or not.
Okay. As I give you the box, I will play a music and make it pass to your classmate. Then kindly stand up and I will play a music. Make sure na sasabihin yung yung sayaw. So, okay, understand?
Yes.
Can you read the...
Unicorn live in forest. Stop.
Unicorn live in forest. Unicorn is black or black?
Black.
Okay, very good. So, okay, ready? ready?
The doctor treats me when I'm sick. The doctor treats me when I'm sick. Fuck, fuck.
Okay, correct. Okay, one. Okay. Peppa Pig yan. What's your answer? Peppa Pig yan. Okay. Is he correct or not? Correct. Okay, very good. So,
Hindi po stop sign. Wrong send.
A dragon can be kept as a pet. Okay, very good. Okay, can we see? So, what did you notice? What did you notice about the activities I asked? Anyone? Yes?
It is an activity where you can find out this top and down.
Okay, and thank you. Another. Jewel? Okay, correct. So before we start, let's read our learning objective. Everyone, 1, 2.
Identify the features to tell whether they are real or make-believe. Sort or arrange features into real, make-believe, and fact or non-fact categories. Explain the importance of identifying real or make-believe, fact or non-fact images.
Okay, thank you. Real images are pictures that show things or events that can really happen with real people, places, and times. Example, dog. Can you give me an example, please? Real images. Okay, very good. Another. Ninya. Okay, very good. Another. Kim. Real images. Example of, can you give me an example of real images? Real images. Yes. Sino pwedeng tumulong kay Kim? Jewel.
Airplane.
Okay, very good. So, the next is make-believe. Make-believe images. Can you read? Kim?
Make-believe images that show things or events that cannot happen in real life. They are created from imagination or fantasy and do not show real or true events.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, make-believe images that show things or events that cannot happen in real life. Example is Goku. Do you know Goku? Yes! Okay, from Dragon Ball. So, can you give me an example of make-believe? Scientific.
Purity.
Okay, correct. Another. Ira.
Doraemon po.
Okay, very good. So, do you understand make believe?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, the third is fact. Rose, can you read this? Can you read? Fact images.
Fact images are pictures that show real things or events. They are based on evidence or scientific studies that show what really exists in the world.
Fact images are pictures na may ebidensya siya, nakikita natin siya. So, example ko dito is thunder. Do you know thunder?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me an example of fact images? Okay, Kane?
A photograph by one person.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Another?
Ranger.
Rain? Okay, that's correct. The fact images are pictures that are proved true because they have real evidence or scientific proof. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. The last is non-fact images. Can you read, everyone?
Non-fact images are pictures that are not true. They do not have scientific proof and are not accepted by everyone.
Okay. Can you give me an example of non-fact images? Kim?
Anime.
Anime. Is anime is belong to non-fact images? Guys, class?
Yes.
Why? Everyone, ikaw.
Yes. Because anime is not existing and anime is just an image or art that produced by the imagination of a person.
Okay, very good. Make believe and non-facts are actually the same, but may pagkakaiba lang siya. Non-fact images are hindi natin masasabi kung totoo ba siya or hindi. Sa make believe, images that show or things or that cannot happen in real life. Dito naman, sobrang hindi na talaga siya makatotohanan. Example is Goku, okay, or Tinkerbell in Peter Pan. So, dito sa non-fact, dito naman kung hindi mo masasabi kung totoo siya or hindi. Kasi wala siyang scientific proof and evidence. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So, ngayon, natuto kayo, may hinanda akong activity. So, kindly read everyone the instruction.
Read your book and look at the pictures you will receive. Decide if each one is real or make-believe, and fact or non-fact. Place them on the manila paper under the correct column and answer the following questions.
Okay, thank you. The group 1 is magpupula kay Rose hanggang kay Nate. Then ang group 2 is Jeff Ryder hanggang kay Kate. Understand?
Yes!
Okay. This is so, binisikip nyo lang doon kung anong real or make-believe, fact or non-fact. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, who's like to answer? Annalyn, Sai, Brainer, Kane, Blake, Na. Okay. Now, the Bible is real?
Yes.
The police?
Yes.
Dog?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Make believe. Luke is make believe?
Yes.
Spider-Man?
Yes.
Anyone?
Yes.
Okay. The robot?
Yes.
Okay. The knockback? Ghost?
Yes.
Angel?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, what did you learn today? Go.
I learned big images, big belief, fact images, and non-fact images.
Okay, very good. Why do we need to know what is real, make believe, and fact or not fact images? Okay?
What's the question of this?
Number 2.
Anak ito would be to know what's to not be a victim of a fraud image, especially in modern days that highly spreading by AI image.
Okay, thank you. Another? Restraint?
At home, I can use it when I watch videos or look at pictures, so I know what is it. I know what to go. Yes. Sorry. Number 2. We need to know this so to help us so we don't believe things that are not real.
Okay.
And it also keeps us safe from wrong information.
Okay, thank you. So, the last is number 3. How can you use what you learned at home in school? Ira? Number 3.
At home, I use it when I watch videos or look at pictures so I know what is real. In school, I use it when reading and answering lessons.
Okay, thank you. So, I have prepared another activity, individual, learning about different types of images. So, can you read everyone?
Look at different pictures and think of other examples for each type. Then explain why you choose each example and say what you learned that can help you at school or at home.
Okay, so now class, let's answer this individual activity. I will give you 3 minutes to answer. Okay, finish na?
Yes.
Okay. Who's like to answer? Christren? Okay, so now, dito kayo babase ng mga pictures. So, gagawa kayo ng other example ng bawat by each group. Understand?
Yes.
I will give you 2 minutes to answer. Finish na? Yes. Oh. Who's like to answer? Rainer?
The picture of the dog, other example is the picture of
Okay, very good. Another? Annalyn? Can you give me another example?
The dog is here because I know that.
Another? Anyone? Yes, I?
In the picture of Nick William, it's a picture of doing habas in one piece. Yeah, another example of
Okay, very good. Another? Anyone? Give?
The picture of police, the group of police, and the other example is a picture of group of students.
Very good. Anyone? Ira? Can you give me another example?
Bahay kubo po.
Okay, that's nice. So, our generalization, can you read our instruction?
In this activity, I will spin the roulette and answer the question that you get. Read the sentence carefully and decide if it's true or false. After choosing your answer, explain why. Use what you learn about real, make-believe, fact, and non-fact images.
Okay, I will play. Ipindutin ko itong ruleta na ito. Kung sino matapat, kayo ang sasagot ng tanong. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Citing. True or false? A fact is something that can be proven true. So, very good. Correct. So, next. Side. True or false? A make-believe image shows something that really exists.
false.
Okay, very good. So, our evaluation is so class up. Can you read the instruction?
Look at each image or statement carefully.
Decide whether it is real, make-believe, fact, or non-fact. Write the correct letter on the space provided.
Who's like to answer number 1? Pagpipilian nyo ang R, M, B, F, and NF. Is red? Correct. Number 2. Kim? Okay, very good. Number 3. Annalyn? It's not make-believe. Anyone? Side?
Non-fact. Non-fact.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Yes? Okay, very good. And last, number 5, right there. Will.
because it is a market.
Okay. So, our assignment, can you read everyone?
Look around your home or think of things you know.
For each category, real, make-believe, fact, and non-fact. Draw a picture or cut a picture from a magazine or newspaper that represents it.
stand up? Do you understand our topic?
Yes.